Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to enable and use Google Meet for virtual meetings in Google Calendar. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all you need to make an event here. So I will just make this event on 12th of June and I will just name it like video meeting, and then I will just set the date and set the time as well. So maybe on 12th of June I will start this event maybe like 2 p.m. and this will go from 2 p.m. to maybe like 3 p.m. Okay, and then what I will do is I will just maybe like add some guests here, and then here you can see this option where it says basically add Google Meet video conferencing. So you will just click on this one and this will create a link where the guests basically can come to this event here, and they will see this option here, join with Google Meet, and they will be redirected to the video call. Okay, and then if I can basically add location and description, and I will just click on this save here. Okay, and now what I will do here, I will just click on this event here and click on edit here, and now here you can see that we have this link here basically. Okay, so when basically the guests see this event here and when the time comes, they will basically click on this link here and they will be redirected to the video call. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.